Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 15 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer. Tap on the keypad and enter the code, the first code, which is for example *# 6776 £. And thanks to this code we can open the software version. So as you can see, the technical code, thanks to which we can check the exact model, the Android version, master date or branch. Let's go back and another code, which is *# 888 £. And thanks to this code we can check the PCB number. Also we can scan this QR code and check some further details regarding this device. Another code is *# 800 £, and here we will enter the feedback menu. So basically, if you've got some problems with your device, for example problems with overheating or home screen or touch screen, screen display, camera, fingerprint enrollment, etc., then you can report them to the developers. So for example, let's pretend I've got problems with the display, with the touch screen, and now we can choose the problem. So for example, mistouch. I highly recommend turning on the screen recording, and you can simply tap on start. You've got of course the steps which are different for each problem, so read them carefully and then do what it says. So for example, let's tap on start, and then we will have to go back to the function where the issue occurred and then try to reproduce the issue, take the screenshot. Of course you've got also the screen recording, so you've got an additional proof, let's say, and then come back here and tap on done, and it will be reported. So I think it is quite useful. Let me go back, and another code is *# 06 £, and thanks to it we can check both IMEI numbers, for example. Tap on OK, and another code, which is *# 225 £. So thanks to this code you can open the calendar information where you've got the events gathered in one place. You can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they're grouped into particular sections. However, you cannot enter specific sections, so you can only check the number of events in specific category. And the last code, I believe, is *# 426 £*##, and here we are in the diagnostic, so we can check the server, host, port, time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the 3 dots icon, we can show advanced view, tap on the status, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.